Man, this is massive, man. This was Rolls Royce as of 1950 something, 1970 something. This is Rolls Royce. This car you see like this was drove by Akum Igwe Umuoji as of that time. This Pachi wagon now. But building this house for corper lodge as of then, 19 something, you should know what it is. You should know. This project costs more than £1 billion naira. Like right now, if you have to put it up, you know what it is. Guys, this is compound. This is compound of His Royal Majesty M A Nwaeze Igwe Umuoji. Akum Okosisi na Amiego Umuoji Igwe Umuoji. This is palace. This is compound. Let's go check out the new building. This is massive, man. You will shock. He was a patron of People's Club of Nigeria, a founding member, pioneer. Let's go. Let's go. Just look at how massive it is. How many acres do you think this land is sitting on? How many acres? He was a strong member. Just check out. And which year do you think this house was built? Which year do you think this house was built? This house is, I think this house is underground. Because looking at the structure, most of these pioneers of People's Club, these olden days, these are our rich men, these are our legends. They don't build house without putting underground in it. And the machine no lack contain underground. But this is massive. Look at how deep. These people made money when money was money. These people were rich. These people, they made money for their children, grandchildren, great-grandchildren. They can never be poor again in their life. This is massive, right? This is massive. We are still working. This is why I love People's Club of Nigeria. Have you heard what guy said before? What the chief said? He said, if you want to be rich, you join People's Club of Nigeria. There is no a poor man. If you are poor and join, become rich because they will support you to become rich. So just look at the building. Look at bricks. This is not, you can't compare this building to this new building. I always say this. I always talk about this. You can't compare this building, these people built as of that time, to this new POP, go. I like a Iko Bam Bam or Togo. Wow. This is massive, man. This was Rolls Royce as of 1950 something, 1970 something. This is Rolls Royce. This car you see like this was drove by Akum Igwe Umuoji as of that time. This Pachi wagon now. Which model is this? Who can tell me? Because I can't even find the model. But whatever it is, this car passes G wagon. This car pass Rolls Royce. This car pass Lamborghini, or Bugatti. Just look at car. It was Akum the number one, Igwe Umuoji. This is his car. This was his car. He drove it when he was alive. So, come, show them this amazing view of it. See how massive it is? Massive. So the only thing that this building needs is just a little bit of painting, a little bit of touch. It will turn to modern. Guys, it shock you. If you want to be rich, join People's Club. Don't lose guard. All the People's Club members were rich. The reason why I'm doing all these things is to show you that this is the people that this is Igwe Umuoji. Him and People's Club of Nigeria. Did you see like those are the patron people, the mentors, people we learn from. people will look forward to be like them in future. These people hustle. These people work for their money. These people struggle to make money. They know money, what they know the value. They know the value of money. Huh? You understand? So let's go. Let's go. They make money and they know the value of money. So that's why they make it to the extent that their children can never be poor. So guys, this side we just thought right now it's just one side. We didn't even go down safe. This is another side. What this man built was an estate. This man built an estate as of 1970 something. This is massive. How many rich men can do it right now? This is the people we learn from, want to be like them. You know, this is where Akuruno started. Let your money get to your village, to your home. Okay, people didn't make it abroad the Bidoria. This is the people that started it. This house you are seeing, this massive infrastructure you are seeing is in the village. It's in the village in Umuoji. So let people come home, develop our town, develop our village. Turn our village to cities. It's possible.
Yeah, this the building, he did it for youth corpers.
Youth corpers.
Yes, any youth corper then that was posted in Umuoji.
Come now. So this is a corpers lodge.
Yes, he made this corpers lodge for youth corpers.
Okay.
You know when the National Youth Service Program started.
Okay.
Some corpers were having accommodation problems, so he put up this building.
Okay.
For any corper posted to Umuoji.
Wow, massive. So free, single-handedly.
He fed them, housed them.
Oh, Akum na chaval. That's why he was made a king, because he can take care of his flock, just like a shepherd. You want to go? So, but why is the workers everywhere?
His son.
Okay.
He's around now, but he resides in America. He's renovating the place.
Okay.
The building. If you look around, go down there, he's trying to renovate it.
I give the son thumbs up, because, you know, for even thinking of renovating the whole place, thinking of maintaining the father's legacy, thinking of taking care of the father's compound, it's not easy. You understand? He's doing well, and I applaud him for that. A lot of our people should come home and do the same. But building this house for corpers lodge as of then, 19 something, you should know what it is. You should know. This project costs more than 1 billion naira. Like right now, if you have to put it up, you know what it is.